How to empty the trash bin to free up storage space on the Samsung Galaxy S24 series. First, tap on the home button to go back to the home screen. Now on the home screen, swipe down at the top and then tap on the settings icon. Next, in the settings page, we scroll down. Then in here, tap on device care. After that, we tap on storage. Then go down and tap on trash. In here, tap on a trash category. So I've got my files, gallery, and contact. So if you want to empty the gallery trash, just tap on that. Then tap on the more button. Then tap on empty. And then tap on delete to confirm. And that's it. You have now emptied your trash. And at this point, you will not be able to restore your files anymore. And that's it. Thank you for watching this video. Please like and subscribe to my channel for more videos.